Destined to become South Africa's global trade gateway, the Dube TradePort in KwaZulu-Natal is an exciting new development, comprising the King Shaka International Airport, an agri-zone with climate-controlled production facilities, a trade zone linked to a state-of-the-art cargo terminal, and Dube City property development, serving both the aviation industry and local communities. It is planned to be the first green precinct in Southern Africa. It is here that an exciting partnership between SolarWorld and Power Solutions will result in the largest grid-tied solar PV installation in Africa.
We are here on the roof at Dube TradePort Agri-Zone in Durban, and we are currently busy with a 220 kilowatt peak solar installation on this roof. The system will essentially power the consumption in this building, which is mainly a cooling facility and a packing facility, and also send some of the power into the greenhouses that you can see around you here, which are producing vegetables and flowers for the international market. The project really is significant for Power Solutions in terms of the size, and it, once completed, will be Africa's largest rooftop system. This roof, together with another roof adjacent to this building, will be approximately 630 kilowatt peak, and it is really a significant step for Power Solutions in the sense that we procured, designed and engineered this system, and are also doing the actual implementation and the commissioning of the system. And it's been really fantastic to have the open door at the eThekwini municipality, that's the municipality here in Durban, who really welcomed the system into the electricity grid and allowed us to do the connection. The carbon emission reduction of this installation is significant and is close to about 830 tons of carbon per annum, which will certainly help Dube TradePort reduce its carbon footprint. What has been fantastic is that all the engineering and the simulation and the detailed design was done by Power Solutions in-house with our in-house engineers, down to very detailed drawing with which we are currently implementing the system on site. And there's actually always one of our engineers on site here to supervise the detailed installation and do measurements and adjustments as we go along. What is very nice about the system is the non-penetrating clamps that we've designed for the roofing material that is predominantly used in South Africa on large roofs. It's called Cliplock or Saffintra, and these clamps are insulated on the inside so that there's no corrosion, and are then tightened onto the ribs of the Cliplock or Saffintra roof, and no penetrations are needed, so you're not really damaging or getting at the integrity of the roof. So it should last as long as the roof does.
The system that you see behind me is the biggest rooftop installation in Africa. For us at SolarWorld, it was a huge step to be taken because it is the breakthrough for the acceptance of PV electricity generation in South Africa and Africa. Being ahead of the World Climate Change Conference COP17 taking place here in Durban, it's a very important signal that is sent out from here into the rest of Africa.
We as Dube TradePort decided to install these solar panels for a number of reasons. One, it's to reduce our operational costs. With the recent increases in electricity tariffs, we think in the long run this is going to assist us and assist all the operators in the zone to become very competitive. We also decided to install the solar panels because in our target markets, both local and international, there is a trend where consumers are purchasing products which have a lower carbon footprint and which are environmentally sustainable. So we think it's a good source of competitiveness. It's going to assist us to penetrate markets, and it also fits in with the broader vision of the Dube TradePort projects, which is to have a sustainable development precinct that is low on carbon footprint, that's also quite conservative in terms of water use, and utilizes renewable energy as much as possible.